Looks like I got Dairy Queen. I love this Dairy Queen. I wonder if my friend Cam might come. Maybe. Ah! Hello? It's Cam! Yeah, Cam! Whoa!
Here. There's Danny. We're here in the YouTube studio, and we are going to focus the camera on Danny eating ice cream. There you are. There's a video of him eating ice cream. And now, we're going to get a detailed look at his computers. Here is the broken Toshiba laptop, which technically he says it's his, but I don't know if it actually is his.
What? Sorry. Shut up. Okay, so, yeah. Broken my owners.
I just got the mouse hooked up to it. So now, we are going to look at some YouTube channel. Oh, I know what we should look at. Let's look at his own channel and see how it's doing.
Horrible.
No, let's see how he's doing. He's got 12 subscribers.
Wait, I have 12?
Yeah, you've got 12.
No, wait, no, you're joking. I have 12? Show me. Okay, I had 10.
Well,
Did I?
there's someone subscribing to you then. I don't know who it is.
Oh, I know. It was,
Did you actually get food from Boston Market once?
Yes, I did.
Why would you go there?
I don't know. But I finished it all.
Let's see what his about says. 612 views on his whole channel. And his description says that.
Okay, newsflash. I actually have an accent in real life.
Oh, great. Look what he said in the discussion section. Here's the discussion section. No.
I'm always famous for saying that.
This channel does not feature any other channels. How come you haven't featured mine?
I don't know.
Oh well. He probably doesn't have any playlists. Nope, he doesn't have any playlists.
I will soon.
He has 23 videos.
I don't.
Yeah, he does. He's still got videos from like 6 months ago. Alright, now we're going to see how my channel's doing.
Yeah, since your channel is better than mine.
Okay, first one. That's my main one. 776 subscribers.
Oh my god, you're so lucky.
Am I now? Okay, then. Yep, there's my featured video. And
But also show them my phone. What it looks like.
I can't do that right now. We're filming on your phone, you know? So, these are all the computers he has.
No, just
He's got the
open up the
Toshiba.
camera.
Okay. So there,
Hi.
you're now seeing both of us
Hi.
right there in the camera. So, there's the Toshiba, Samsung, and here's the big Dell monitor. He's also got another monitor inside that room.
You want to see it?
Here, it's your turn to hold the camera now.
Now this.
And you can turn the camera around if you want to.
And this is Cam.
No, I mean turn the camera around.
Sorry.
Turn your phone around.
Well, actually, hang on.
If you want to show up your...
Ow. There. Sorry. Computer does work. Monitor. Blah, blah, blah. And there's Cam. What the? Did he just lock me in my room? If he locked me in my room, I'll be so mad.
Try it.
Hmm?
Try it. Try opening the door.
Nuh-uh. Come here.
Okay. That door doesn't actually lock, you know.
Kim, how you take over?
Okay. There's his YouTube studio. And here's the table he sits at and records videos at. That's his main table. And I think we're going to try a live stream maybe in a minute. And there's his ice cream. And here's an extra bed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a bed. Well, actually, it's a cushion.
Yeah, it is bad.
But yeah. Hey. It's me. See how you're looking inside that camera right there. There's Danny.
Hi.
And here's all the stuff he uses. And we're going to show you a detailed look on why he says this thing is broken. If it powers up.
It does not. Oh, yeah, show them the screen.
Yeah, I will, but for some reason this thing's not wanting to power up. I think it needs charged.
Nuh-uh.
Well, we got to find the cord.
Too bad. I can't find it.
It's just blinking. Wait. Ooh, there's a little bit of stuff in here. And he's messing with the printer, I think. So,
Nuh-uh.
hit some random key. Oh, wait. This thing's blinking. Oh, well. Yeah, this thing is really old.
Yep.
But I don't know if that thing's going to work, but I think we're probably going to do a live stream once we end this video on here, because apparently YouTube's saying that the mobile devices aren't suitable enough for live streaming. So, what do you want to say, Danny?
I don't know.
At least say goodbye, because I think we're going to end this video now. And yep, there's Danny flossing the wrong way. Well, what do you want to say? Because I think we're going to end this video now.
Hang on, give me 1 second.
There he goes. Well, I guess we're going to end this video now. So, you want to say bye?
Bye!
Alright, bye guys.